Alright, so the app for Macintosh is 403 megabytes in size. Let's test out the app. We plug it in, we have to allow the device to connect. We have a place here where we import pictures or videos. So I'm going to import no. Alright, so I imported a photo. It took a little time to process it. I can edit the photo. It'll show me kind of what it looks like here. And they have isolated the figures. I think we can change the amount of wiggle, the speed of the wiggle. So that's obviously too much wiggle. We can adjust the position to center it. We can make it larger. So the background can be on or off. So here's the background. We can say partial background. So that gives us a ghostly background. There's also an advanced tab. We can view the artificially generated depth map, and we can replace it with a different one if we had one. We can also view the image mask, and we can edit the image masks. So if we wanted to change part of the image mask here, we could, for example, go in and I think delete some of the in here. Let's see. Help if I had a mouse. But I can try to get a little more of Bowser in the frame here. Let's try that and see what happens. Alright, so now we have that back foot of Bowser a little bit there. I'm going to scale it up a little bit more and move them up a little bit. Let's try that out on the actual display. So we select the photo, we say transfer to the display. It tells us it's transferring in progress. It has to encode it first and then transfer it. So I believe it is now making a 15-second MPEG video and then copying it over to the device. So this is not a speedy process, even with just a single image here. I had to give the app permission to transfer the file, and it copied it over. It says it's complete now. Alright, so we're going to disconnect the player and see what we get. So there is the content, and now it is rotating. And then it goes back to the default content. Okay, let's try a video. So we need to select 30 seconds from this video, or less. Now it doesn't appear to be showing the audio, so I'm playing the video, but I'm not getting the audio coming out. I have the MacBook Air speakers turned up all the way. So I will confirm the trim, and we'll just hope the audio comes with it later. It'd be nice to have the audio as part of the trimming. Okay, it is now processing a video. Okay, that took an incredibly long time to import the 20-second video. So let's see if the export to the device takes that long. All right. So I'm attempting to preview the video, and there is the video being previewed. And they want us to pick a magic moment. I don't know exactly what the magic moment will be, but that's where it wiggles. So we will just pause it right there, maybe. Oh, it's not updating. See if I can. Okay. We'll pause it right there and set that as the magic moment. Now it's processing more. Now I have this here as an M1 MacBook Air, so it's not the fastest computer in the world, but it's still a pretty decent processor. So I'm kind of surprised at how long everything is taking. So let's just save it with the default settings here and see what it looks like. I don't know why I keep getting this. Alright, we are going to transfer the video. And now it has to do encoding and transfer, and we'll see if this takes as long as the import. Okay, that took a significant amount of time, but it is done. Let's take a look and see how it looks here. so we have the video. It's a little small. I should have made it larger. Also, there's no volume. Now, here's the magic moment. So in the magic moment, it pauses the video, makes this guy go back and forth for 15 seconds, and then it's probably going to start the video again. So if I had this to do again, I don't think I'd put the magic moment in to interrupt the video. Also, I'm concerned that I can't get any audio out of this, because this video does have audio. Alright, so the app works. It takes an unreasonably long time to process videos. Even pictures are not snappy. It might get better over time. I'm sure they just released it. But that's what the software side of things looks like.